Welcome to Science Hub. Today, we're diving into the cosmic wonders of Centaurus A, a galaxy that has intrigued astronomers with its bizarre shape and dramatic history. Located about 11 million light-years away, this galaxy is the spectacular result of a colossal collision between two ancient galaxies. This cosmic crash left behind a rich mix of gas and dust, creating a fertile ground for the birth of new stars. In July 2026, the world celebrated 4 years since the James Webb Space Telescope started sending back groundbreaking images of the universe. Among its most awe-inspiring feats is a vivid image of Centaurus A, revealing astonishing details never seen before. This peculiar galaxy, shaped by a galactic collision around 2 billion years ago, feeds its central black hole with immense amounts of gas and dust. The James Webb Telescope is the latest marvel in a lineage of observatories, following giants like Hubble and Spitzer. With its ability to observe the universe in infrared wavelengths, it uncovers details previously hidden behind thick clouds of dust and gas. This unique capability has allowed scientists to study Centaurus A like never before. The new image captured by James Webb unveiled dense fields of stars and intricate details previously unseen. Among the fascinating discoveries is a mysterious S-shaped structure whose origin still puzzles scientists. The telescope also revealed high-speed ionized gas movements driven by the activity of the central black hole and detected warm molecular hydrogen in a twisted disk near the galaxy's center. These observations suggest that black holes play a dual role in the life of a galaxy. On one hand, they help compress gas and dust to form new stars. On the other, they can inhibit star formation by ejecting the raw materials needed for it. Thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, scientists have gained a deeper understanding of Centaurus A and its storied past. These discoveries pave the way for a broader comprehension of galaxy and cosmic evolution. As the telescope continues its mission, we eagerly anticipate more cosmic revelations in the years to come. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting science content.